Scorpion Trade is a neural network-based bot that earned more than $10,000 in the last week, and I'm sharing it with you for free. The process of getting a robot will take only a few minutes. Go to the bot from the video description and launch it. Scorpion will send you a link to register for the Pocket Option. Click on it and create a new account. After verification, use a promo code to top up your balance, which will give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit. This was the last step towards getting the best trading assistant for Pocket Option. Now, we can start. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are here with a big update, some hotfixes, signals optimization, and 6 new currency pairs. Let's try it now.